Hey guys, welcome to the channel. And here we have an entry-level device for you. It's from it's a brand from Xiaomi, and this brand mainly focusing in Indian market. So this is a Poco C65. So this is a very low-end and entry-level products, and they just released. It's in India. So today I'm going to have a very quick and simple unboxing video about this new device, and we will talk about the specification, and also we'll check the performance about this device. So yes, this is a very quick start, and as we can see, this is a very classical and very standard box from Poco. And this time we have the Poco C65 Black Edition, and this time they have blue, black, and purple, three colors, and we have the 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. So next, okay, let's open it. Let's check the phone inside it. And here, Poco C65. First, let's check the other. Okay, accessories first. SIM card eject. Okay, and here is safety information, and also the quick start guide and the warranty card. Here, Poco quick start guide and warranty card. So it's a whole paper, and they fold it to a small size like a book, and also this one for the safety information. Also is a whole paper, and they fold it to a small book paper. So this is the paper inside this small package, SIM card eject. So here is the cable. So it's have a Type-C to USB cable, normal, and also here is the charger. Yeah, and this time they provide a 5000 big battery with 18-watt PD charger. So these are all the accessories inside the box, and so no case, not even very simple soft plastic case, not included. And next, let's go to the smartphone. So let's get it out from the soft plastic bag. Okay. So here is the black Poco C65. So this is the entry-level device just released. So as we can see, it's a totally black design, pure black design, and even the camera zone here is a shining part, the camera zone, and the metal part is the other part. Yes, but it all black, even the framework black. And also, as we can see, this device is not the screen size is not too big. The dimensions, I mean, screen 6.74 drops display, and also the weight, the height 168, and width 78, and thickness 8.09, and weight less than 200 grams, only 192. So this is very, for me, I think the size is very acceptable, not too big, and the weight and thickness is also okay, not too heavy, and easily to control it with one hand, especially for small hand. And the pure black design is very simple, so nothing special here. And also, besides the dimensions, we can also talk about first, we can talk one by one about the main features they provide on the screen protector. So it's used the powerful MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and it's a 12 nanometers process octa-core processor. The CPU support maximum 2.0 GHz And the GPU, they use the ARM Mali G52 MC2. And also the RAM and ROM is, as I mentioned, 8GB RAM plus 250GB ROM. And it supports LPDDR4X and eMMC 5.1. And also it supports expandable storage to 1TB. So this is about chips and RAM and ROM information. And also here is the camera information. They say it's a 50 megapixel camera. Here, I think this one, and also a 2 megapixel macro camera. Yeah. And also for the camera, this time it supports a night mode, portrait mode, film camera, and HDR mode. So it's acceptable. And also the front one, 80 megapixel, and also support the time lapse, soft light and rain, HDR mode, portrait mode. Battery I already mentioned. Screen 6.74 inch 90Hz display. This time to use, and the PPI is 260 and display resolution 1600 by 720, and the brightness, peak brightness 5450. And they use the Corning Gorilla Glass, and also support refresh rate 90 Hz. So this is the main information about the display, and the support 18 watt fast charging and 5000 big battery. So I think we can remove it, peel it off, and wake up screen to check the more. Yes. Okay, so let's wake up it. As we can see, it's a wardrobe screen. And I think the left and right and the head is very acceptable, but for the chain, it's a bit white here. I think it's nice. It's okay for such a cost-effective and very low-end products. And we go to settings to check more information about this phone. Here, MIUI 14 and RAM and ROM information to provide. And also the display here, we got display information, refresh rate 90 Hz, 60 Hz. We can change it. So yes, this is about the main features about this device, the new device from Poco. And also we can talk about other informations like the side fingerprint, and also support AI face unlock. Here we can AI face unlock, lock screen. Yep. Security, display, sound, home, password security. It's support screen, fingerprint here. Here, the face unlock. Face unlock. Yeah, so this is the main features about this device, and also this is a dual SIM card smartphone. Yeah, it's to be frank, this is not a 5G phone. It's just a 4G device. So yes, and the Wi-Fi wireless networks, Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for the Wi-Fi, dual Wi-Fi wireless networks. So this is about all information about this device from Poco C65. And at last, I'm going to have a very simple camera test on this device. So here, let's open the, check it. Okay, swipe down to open menu. Okay, so we can take it here. Normal mode. One time, two time, totally 10 times zoom. Go to 1 time. So for the no wide angle, and we go to front. Also we can time lapse, video, portrait, night, 50 megapixel. Night. Okay, so I will put sample pictures at the end of the video. So yes, this is a very quick and very simple unbox video about the Poco C65. It's a very low-end entry-level product from Poco. And thanks for watching. That's the end of the video. For more cool gadgets from here. Bye bye.